Hopes na introduce you to papa we anka we nyansani bank abepa bibi papa bi akoye no okwakoye blackmail Canada ha no dwuma we dia no the akawa ni blackmail but blackmail we dey say we bebu aka osim what the American no me say wo dey we dey me arrest you say wa since I wona we di nkan call police no and a Jimmy Fobi and na so no wo saa ye di bibia send me say saa girl na nani abo agu ni tiri mu no dey oso ye by fault ni Jonas ni ano girl bi na we ono say na ho basa te say dia we ye de ne koto aware so ama we kramoni bi no ne ho basa bi tantan bi no ono say be dina say Felix Apia is in trouble in Canada. What bodam papa adwuma mu na me free bay hwe ma adwuma mu ni mapon wa adwuma e na me kofie me police be me so say mo no ma jimi de bia me ka kire mo say mo ajimi me ka kire mo de bia say mo ajimi na mra ya adwuma obi a onni papers ni obi a ote aburochiri a wo bo illegal bra e na wo ka police wo bedwane o ti de amekan no obi a ote aburochiri a onye adwuma na ojimi e na wono na sebe previous a wo ka so ko police wo bedwane na wo po obi de sebe abodwe se e de ehunahuna na anafu bebe te se me nafu bebe te se me na odo wo we ukumo Kenyatta e de ba be de e de be hunahuna me wa bodam papa na me se be funo. Now get ready. Sir 800 million now. Oh, blackmail you to take it. No, I swear to God, you will vomit that money back. Serwaa, 800 million cedis now. Yadema wono Serwaa, you will vomit that money back. I promise you that. Utie. Sir 800 million. No kwasia ujina na say. Muni bibi. Me na me senka me te. Muni get away Jimmy for pa. Mama me ka say me nkyerɛ. Bra Hopes na introduce you ne kyerɛ Akufo-Addo no. Hopes na introduce you ne say, "Oh, girl we ye MPP ni a owo Canada ha. Ah say ye ba sometimes ono anuane ma ye ne ade. Serwaa, sit there and curse yourself say when you first went to see Akufo-Addo alone without the help of Hopes no. What did the bodyguards do to you in Toronto? They didn't let you see the man. Because of the stupid picture you posted on national security, they didn't let you see the man. The man won't now bonting for more than 8 hours. Before ba uchemu ya ode. What try Hopes na anye ye? What try John Boadu anye ye? Enti afa the president na mu na ape. You are following to what you said. Say, ube show MPP for pa. Enti u show na u show na enie. Serwaa, u show na ube show na enie. Me say me twen sa picture ko Akufo-Addo fura robe a enu nti na me say me enna maka kire omuni na so omo nto omo adwene me na me wo krom a metumi ni wadi maka kire omuni na say nobody should. Do you know why Akufo-Addo cut you off? Akufo-Addo decided not to reply to you again because they saw say you are somebody who is being planted to come and do something. The man is a smart man. That is why he walked you out. That is why you quickly ran away and told your friend in UK say, Adia nanando dia ya one dia. You can never forgive him. Obisa said there, and what's na hosa on befrel. When they called you in, this is this was the exact word of our president to you. What are you doing here? They have told me to stay away from you. This is what the president told Serwaa. Mo pese mo hu nitty-gritty no. And somebody bu wa na ma imagine say menka. But Serwaa call ya wo person wo ko frame your president no. Your president well say free na no mo ba ye ni. What are you doing here? They have told me to stay away from you. Serwaa, that's not true. And I was starting to say, oh, you don't know why it's like that now. Oh no, your workshop for Ghana. You are not after the president for anything. Now it's your workshop you want to do in Ghana. That is why you want. I see, okay. So workshop now, person they say when you Ghana, Flagstaff House, because that is where government business takes place. So why we are lying? Say why, Mr. Bekachile say when you enter there, no, Papa didn't ask you, say, what are you doing here? And I have been told not to get closer to you. And I would do soon. You have stayed outside the hotel for 8 hours. Serwaa, come and tell us where soon you no correct. Kufuado, Nana, me papa kachire place. What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Oh, we are no Simon who Serwaa no te say ya born a man yes who Serwaa no ye ni papa until he should stay away from you. And I will say, people, Sister Catherine, Kromo ha me way. Na me nim da say Serwaa ye MPP for women organizer wa Toronto how. Serwaa Toronto how we ye nim say we women organizer o. Ye nim say we women organizer, and that is how you were able to get na next contact. Me first no na me twen kakra because na me pese empanifo ma me because me no me pese me ba betra me page so adi atro. It's na me twen mo nim no. Hwe ma wo say the Canada Japan picture bi abeto. Should I tell you the reason why? Should I tell you the reason why that picture came about? Now, okotena sa private jet ni mu a owi an hu twa sa picture ni di post to Facebook no. Obi a wunim national security bi especially your presidential jet no, ye ntwa picture emfa. You a liar. That is why Hobson cut you off. Oh, you know, usually these politicians, the way they are, me say, me person me bored you, but yeah, make na make no. You know, these politicians sometimes, even when you are dealing, you need mind because or yere dear, but the way crowd where you know who treats me now when I make casa nice. Oh, na last ni say, oh, Freya, and I will say, oh, me never cry, never phone so, and at the end, dear. And at the end, you say, hey, Kufuado. Oh, we are free, say, we have all this evidence there. You are there talking, say, hey, Kufuado. Kumase Van Dam, where they are no playing, when you're playing fan. Mikuta audio no ha say chenku na bone yemmo because ni na ka me so me evidence na me free ha me diko police ono na omuntie say onipa na all lie to ono say oni na ye bibi no say wanya 2 minutes to crowd with na Akufo-Addo da say why you confess to your own mother o ka kire wankasa wo ma me say Sister Cynthia, me scared of the police is our friends to serve and protect. I'm a citizen of Canada. I'm a law-abiding citizen of Canada. I'm not a criminal. I have not been involved in any criminal activity. So the law will protect me because the law even protects criminals.